Hey, you guys, we are looking at a few more RVs today. Be right back.
My apartment is a mess. There's no room for happiness. Been alone too many.
Yeah, we are at Orangewood RV. They get a huge selection here. Travel trailers, well, everything. Travel trailers, fifth wheels, Class A's. But yeah, we're gonna step in this Grand Design travel trailer, Reflection, and it's a 31.5-foot rear living TS. When I know the S is slide. Oh yeah, this is nice. 2 slides. There's Lisa, Heart-Baked Italian.
Hello.
Okay, what are you seeing here that you love? The theater seating.
Right across from the TV.
Love the theater seating right across from the TV.
This is different having the table, but it has a bench on this side, so it has 2 chairs and a bench. This rolls.
Oh yeah.
The
Oh,
bench is movable, so you can have extra seating or storage there. Pantry.
yeah. Oh yeah. Yep.
Big fridge. This is the double fridge.
We love the rear living like this because you back up to a beautiful lake or a mountainscape or whatever. The woods. You got all these windows here, right back there. I think this is just a touch longer than we want. It looks like you would be able to use the bed, with the slide in. That's good. That's a king size though, isn't it?
It looks like it. Yep.
Oh, good storage there, yeah. Yeah, this is got hookups. Some of these have washer dryer hookups. Big closet up here. Hopefully you guys can see that. Yeah, let's do the shower test on that. Oh yeah. Yeah. But as far as
Go sideways. You got a lot of room there. Yeah.
yeah, plenty of headroom here. And then the toilet. Oh, it's porcelain. Porcelain toilet. Oh yeah. Where's the toilet paper?
There is none. It's on the counter.
Toilet paper holder.
But if you close this door for privacy, you're going to be really tight.
What's up there? I'll give it to Matt's prime pooping position. Matt, for you guys, look up Matt's RVs. Matt's RV reviews. He's a character, and he sells RVs also. But so that's where I got that from, that prime pooping position. And he, yeah. Anyway, see, I think this one's probably. Oh, do you see how big the fridge was?
Yeah, no, I did open it up. Very nice.
Yeah, okay. Well, let's see what else we got here. And we pretty much 100% decided to go with a travel trailer. That F-250 that I just bought, we could do a fifth wheel, but we want to do some forest roads, and a fifth wheel stands up so much higher. Those things are monsters as far as going down a forest road or something, and these are shorter.
Bunkhouse.
Okay, we'll get you another one here quick. Okay, this is a Hideout by Keystone. You see, it's got the different siding on it. 27 rear living slide WE, whatever WE is. All right, this is, this is a not their top of the line or model, but it would most definitely do.
No, not liking it.
Not liking it? What don't you like?
No storage in the bedroom, and the toilet is right on top of the shower.
Let's take a look. Oh yeah. Yeah. And hot baked Italian, the kitchen area, counter space is going to be important too. She's going to be working her.
It's not too bad. That's doable. Yeah. Don't like the rest.
Yeah, she's going to keep working her channel from the road. Stay tuned for that. Or subscribe to her if you haven't already. Okay. These sales people here, they do a good job of leaving you alone. If they can kind of tell if you want to be left alone just to look around. They do greet you when you come in. You got to walk through the office, and then they'll come find you once in a while and ask if you got any questions or you need any help. So it's been pleasant experience looking here. Okay, here's a Grand Design Imagine 29.7 rear living. Decent sized garage there.
This one's got this
double awnings.
Yeah, double awnings, boy. Good to hear that.
Yeah. Got the speakers up there, which I some of the brands are putting them down here because when they're up there, then you got to really be careful with the volume because you're going to be broadcasting to the whole campground. If you're in a campground or whatever. So if they're down here, it just it just doesn't broadcast. You just for you and your chairs, whatever. All right, power. You got your propane tanks. Looks like you got the manual stabilizers. Yeah, okay, same floor plan as that first one we walked into. Yeah. Oh, good. Okay, queen size bed.
Cubbies on the side with electric and USB.
Reading lamps up there. Lots of
storage there. Got a closet over here. And drawers.
Yeah, it's probably a little dark for you guys anyway. Got these barn doors too, which that saves. The door's not swinging. Yeah, this is a. Yeah, what do they got for a price on this one?
This one's 47,271.
So 22,000 less than that big. That little smaller fridge, but that's still decent size.
Oops, sorry.
Got the TV across from the theater seating. You have 2 air conditioners. One here. Oh, just one air conditioner. I would bet that it's probably set up to you could add another one. What do you liking and not liking about this one?
Well, I like how they have the stove and oven off to the side, so you actually have counter space here to one side. Give you an extra cupboard up there, so you have at least a little something you can put down, a bowl or a spoon or something.
Yeah,
I love having
mostly working over here, though, I suppose.
Huh?
You'd be mostly working over here,
I'd be
though.
prepping over here.
You've got a little bit over there too.
Yeah, that's great for coffee bar. Just put stuff. Nice deep drawers. Yeah, they have a nice deep drawer under the oven too. Scroll with the pegs. Lots of storage in the bar.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one's actually really nice. I like all the storage it has. Big. It goes all the way back.
Oh yeah. So we got some more storage down here. And this is set up like we could. We're thinking about with this floor plan also, since we've got the theater seating, is taking the couch out and putting a desk across there. You know, because we're going to be YouTubing from the road. We got to have a good place to edit video. And that's yeah, we're both you know, I don't say leaving our jobs, but yeah, we're not going to be working. So we're going to be dependent on you know, on YouTube and our Amazon Sync associate link. So yeah, if you guys could help us out with that, share our videos. We need more subscribers so we can. So YouTube doesn't pay too much. So, but you know, it's just the more clicks, the more views, the more subscribers, it'll add up. So, all right, let's find another one here. Okay, we thought we would, before we leave, we thought we'd take a look at this 29 4RL fifth wheel. Yeah, I know. Yeah, we're heavily leaning toward travel trailer, but like I said, we're
Double awnings.
oh yeah, double awnings. I like the lighter furnishing. The lighter.
Nice one.
This is great. Oh yeah. Yeah.
It's just really put carpet here. There's kind of used like a different, kind of nice, something different, but yet
Kind of
easy
an
and clean.
Indoor-outdoor carpet kind of thing. Yeah, same floor plan. Just got a higher ceiling. These are just so nice anymore. Wow. I don't know. What do you guys think? Leave comments in the description about
Washer dryer hookup.
what does have a washer dryer hookup.
Yep.
Bonus. Yeah, tell us your opinions or your experiences with, you know, if you'd like to do the backcountry or maybe a forest road or something, you know, fifth wheels compared to a travel trailer. So, oh, this is great. This is beautiful. You got a front window here too. Pretty nice. That shower looks great.
Mm-hmm.
Want to do the poop test?
No.
You don't?
It looks fine.
Okay. We are very close to pulling the trigger on something here. So now we're gonna go over to Little Dealer, Little Prices, which is in Phoenix. This Orangewood is in Sun City, or is this a surprise?
Sun City.
Yeah. So okay, we'll catch you guys over at Little Dealer, Little Prices. Okay, yeah, we just got here to a Little Dealer, Little Prices. I'm up there. Just saw this thing sitting outside. You know, it's like Teardrop, but it's a Luna. I've never heard of it before. Yeah, kind of neat. It's your 3-burner stovetop. It's going to be, you know, your fire shield there. The Domatic. The fridge.
Hey, Ruby.
Microwave.
Inside.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, special. Yeah, I've never. Oh, look at that. I've got a big old window in there. Oh, wow. Look at that. TV, you know, get your DVD or whatever, your entertainment center here. So I guess apparently these all come out to for the bed. That's where you can sit and eat, I guess. Storage. Storage, storage, storage. Storage. Good. Lots of windows. When you go camping, you want to be able to see outside, huh? Electric fan. Hey, this is pretty cool. Hopefully you guys can see that, as I know it's awful dark, but that is pretty cool.
Kind of cute, huh?
Yeah.
Storage in the floor and.
Yeah, that was very cool. Anyway.
Not living for full time, but
yeah,
hey,
we need
cute.
something a little bigger. Okay, we're gonna go ask if they got here rear living. They do Jayco's here. I like Jayco. Okay, that's the first time that's happened here, you guys. We've been here probably a dozen times since the whole planned pandemic stuff. And now they decided to make us wear a mask. So we walked right back out the door. You know, they're lost. But now we're just gonna come see what's out here. We'll buy it. We'll just find what we like and buy it for somewhere else. Which other mask holes, so don't shop here.
The reason I put a Goodyear tire on it, it's cold weather climate package. And then to be really honest, if you have your cell phone, shoot the barcode.
I'll get it right on there and then get it later. Okay. Yeah, Bill doesn't care if we don't have masks. Just
No, I just,
yeah.
no, I'll take it back to my desk, we'll write some notes, and we'll just see where it ends up.
Yeah, we're not gonna buy anything today. I mean.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, then I'll boot you out of the lot and say, get out of here. No.
Okay, he's a talker.
Good.
Electric fireplace here. Yeah, this is at Jayco. This is a televator.
Mr. Bill from Saturday night.
It's elevator. It goes up and down.
Yeah,
So
Mr. Whitehawk,
you got another window there behind the TV. We really like the theater seating, but these are nice. Looks like some kid is standing on the furniture. Looks like where that came from. This is nice. This is nice.
This one's about 600 pounds more when you're.
Bathroom is just about the same as that last grand design that we looked at. Not as much storage though. Not as much storage. Looks like they've got a prime pooping position with the toilet. Okay, that's where that hooks. Yeah, lots of love that front window. Nice bedroom. Yeah, guys. Okay, so Bill gave us a ride in his golf cart up front here. Nice guy. He doesn't care if we have a mask on. Just absolutely ridiculous. But yeah, so we're done here. Appreciate every single one of you guys. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Share our channel with like-minded people, and hit that notification bell so you're notified when we publish new videos. It's going to be, I'm planning on one every weekend and maybe more, during the week too. So anyway, God bless, guys. We'll see you in the next video.